And in the book class, we need to have a method that returns actual rating string based on the average rating here. So we need to create a new method here. It is also transient public string get rating stars. What average rating is from the above method get average rating, and just return the value of the below method get rating string here, average rating. And now let's display the rating star for books in the home page. So let's open the index.jsp page in the front end here. Front end index.jsp here. In this home page we have the new books here. We have the book object here, and now